Hey you guys, are you in need of a new look? You want to ditch your clip-ins but you still want to add length? I'm going to show you a more permanent way to add length in just 5 minutes. I'm going to show you how we went from this to this in just 5 minutes. So keep watching. Welcome back you guys, I'm Stylist Lee and you're on my channel. And if you're new, be sure to subscribe below. So I have another makeover video for you all. And today our model here is Miss Jacqueline. We want to add some nice blonde extensions, but she typically wears clip-in extensions, but she wants to give that up. She's tired of having to take her extensions out at night and she wants something that's going to be a little bit more permanent. So what we're going to do today is we're going to add some rolls into her hair. That's going to last her about a month to a month and a half. And then she can take it out and then she can proceed with styling her regular hair as normal. One great tip before doing any extension service, it's always good to start off on clean hair. Jacqueline here has already been clean, blow dried, and conditioned, and so she's ready for her install. Now that we gave you the basis on what we're going to do today, let's go ahead and get started. All right, you guys, so we went ahead and finished with Jacqueline's braids. Added 3 rows for her. We mainly want to focus on adding length, so we didn't go too far up. And you can just take a look, nice and neat. So what we're going to do is we're going to start with sewing in her extensions. We're going to be using hair from SL Raw Virgin Hair. And this is from the limited collection. This is our Blonde Natural Wavy. Now the hair does not naturally come in this shade. It comes in a more yellowish blonde hair, but if you just add shimmer lights or a nice purple shampoo, it'll cool those down really well. So we went ahead and cooled it down so it can match. We're going to begin with sewing. All right, you guys, so we went ahead and finished with her extensions. We sewed in all 3 rows. We did have some hair left over, maybe just like about this much. I want to ask her some experiences because this is her first time receiving any extensions. So tell us, like, what was the process like? How do you feel about how your head feels right now?
It went really well. It went by so fast and the braids weren't as tight as I expected. They don't feel super tight at all, actually. Like, it's not, I can't even really feel that much, and my hair looks so long and you can't even see them. I'm amazed right now.
So I want to go ahead and show you guys her back. So even if she were to like just kind of split it into 2, it still looks pretty good. I'm also going to give you a little pan so you guys can see how long the hair is.